Hi, this is Cindy Jorgensen, Certified Podiatric Assistant with Tending Toes. Today I wanted to talk to you and give you a little bit more information about what they call involuted nails. A lot of people refer to them as C-shaped nails or pincher nails, but the medical term for them is involuted nails. When the involuted nails first get started, which they can be caused by hereditary traits, they can be caused by some medical treatments, they can be caused by injury to the toenails, they can be caused by wearing the wrong kind of shoes, but a lot of times they show up 30 years after you've wore the wrong kind of shoes. But the most common is just the C-shaped nails. So, and you can see that they just kind of curve around. They're just in a nice little C shape. And that's the most common that most people have. A lot of times they are confused with ingrown toenails because of the fact that they do cause a lot of pressure on the side of the nails, which a lot of people think if it hurts on the side of the nails, it's ingrown, but not necessarily. We actually can determine when we look at a nail whether it's really ingrown or not. When they have been let go for a long time, they can turn into pincher nails. They can get folded over and then they really dig in to your toes, but it's still not an ingrown toenail. There are different types of pincher nails. So some pincher nails will just curl up, but they raise above the toenail bed. So they just set on top of it, and they can go into a complete circle or bend flat. Other type of pincher nails will actually pull the skin up inside of them, which these are more painful than these are. And then the third type with the pincher nails down here, they will actually go and grow into a complete circle with the skin inside of it. Those can be extremely painful. Most of the time people end up having surgery for those type of nails. Here we do have a non-surgical procedure that we can do to help with the pincher nails and the C-shaped nails. It's called a BS brace system. And these are before and after shots. So this person's toenail did start with the C-shaped, and 6 weeks after we put the brace on, you can see how much the toenail has flattened out so that it's not cutting into the toe anymore. The same with these two here and these two here. It is pulling those corners up and flattening the nail out so that it's a more natural looking nail. I'll move over here. Now this one here, the complete circle one that was setting on top, and her other one was the same way. This was after 12 weeks of having the brace on, and both of her toenails are completely flat on top of her toes now, and they look normal. This one here, the one that was complete circle, she had the other one that was pinched up like this. So they started out like this, and they're actually starting to flatten out, and it's not pinching and pulling the skin up inside of it. At this point in time, she's only had it on for 8 weeks, but it's a very quickly moving process. It's non-surgical, it's non-painful, and it gives you immediate relief. This also works on true ingrown toenails to relieve the pressure of them and pull the nail out so that you don't have that pain anymore with the nails. This one here, like, there's a lot of different causes, but this one here, a good example of the way hers is laying over to the side. So it was quite a ways in. It's from the hammer toe that she has that lays on top of the toenail. So over years and years and years, the nail has just grown around that toe laying on top of it. And that happens a lot when you have overlapping toes. And that is something that we have different devices that can help with not only the overlapping toes, but with the curved toenail also, so that we can correct that. So if you have any of these issues going on with your toenails, or you're having pain with your toenails, you can always call for a consultation before you get a full pedicure with us. We do always recommend getting a pedicure, getting the nails trimmed properly, because a lot of times these curved nails will get trimmed the wrong way. People will cut down the side of the nail, and that will actually cause an actual ingrown toenail instead of just a pincher nail. So we always recommend to have a good pedicure done and have the nails cut properly. But you can always call for just a consultation. We can look at your toenails, let you know what we can do for them, and then we can move forward from there on what you want to have done with your feet. So you give us a call, 208-853-TOES. It's 208-853-8637. And remember, Tending Toes, we're a place for old farts and sassy tarts.